have agreed to extend their services during this health camp.
With an aim to reach out to MSME entrepreneurs, the Reserve Bank of India, Shillong, conducted a town hall meeting on micro, small and medium enterprises at the Thangbuli Village Club Hall, Amlarem, West Jaintia Hills District today. Navneet Singh Nagar, DGM RBI Shillong, highlighted the significance of conducting the town hall meeting on MSMEs in unbanked and underbanked areas to create awareness of banking facilities amongst the entrepreneurs in such areas, linking the unbanked entrepreneurs to the formal banking system, obtaining feedback from the entrepreneurs on the problems faced by them in accessing bank finance.
In our country, the MSME sector holds a unique position as it employs millions of citizens, fosters inclusiveness, plays an instrumental role in achieving the nation's aspirations for self-reliance and economic development. While on the other side of this ecosystem are the banks and financial institutions, which are represented here today, and their role in providing financial support, guidance, expertise is equally important towards taking the MSME sector forward.
And now for a quick look at the weather. The maximum temperature